Good evening, class of 2024, beloved faculty, proud families, and distinguished guests. Today we gather not only to celebrate our academic achievement, but also the incredible journey that has brought us here today. Our time at UC San Diego has been a tapestry woven with threads of laughter, tears, triumph, and growth. It is these moments that have shaped us into the resilient, compassionate, and driven individual we are today. It is also these memories that we'll carry with us as we embark on the next chapter of our lives. When we reflect on the essence of our Triton experience, it is not just the countless hours spent in lecture halls or the exam we aced that stand out. It is the all-nighters we pull, fueled by the unwavering support of our friends and caffeine, the tears we shed over heartbreaks and failure while learning that vulnerability is a wellspring of strength, and the laughter that echoed through our dorm and the unplanned beach trip that helped us to escape reality. Through every trail and triumph, we discovered the true power of community. The principles of community that underpin our university became the very fabric of our experience, teaching us to embrace diversity, uplift one another, and find strength in our differences. When we stumble, our fellow Tritons were there to catch us. When we doubted ourselves, our mentors reminded us of our boundless potential. And when we succeed, we celebrate it as one. As we stand here today, we're not the same wide-eyed freshmen who first set foot on this campus. We have grown, evolved, and discovered resilience and strength we never knew we possessed. We have learned that failure is not a dead end, but a detour to new opportunities. Setbacks are stepping stones to growth, and our capacity for adaptation knows no bound. We have discovered that true success lies not just in our individual honors, but in our indelible impact on the lives we touch. As we prepare to embrace the unknown, let us cherish the unforgettable moments that have defined our Triton journey. The all-nighters, the spontaneous adventure, the laughter that lift our spirit. These are the moments that will forever be held in our hearts. Let us not forget the time of doubt, when we question our path and purposes, for it is in these moments that we discover our true passion and ability to chart our own course. With the courage and zest for life that define the Triton spirit, let us explore the world with open hearts and curious mind, unafraid of failure or judgment. Let us chase our dream with the same tenacity and determination that propelled us through our most challenging moment at UCSD. For in the end, it is the journey itself, the people we have met, the lessons we have learned, and the memories we have made that matter the most. Class of 2024, as we embark on this new adventure, let us carry with us the invaluable lesson, the cherished friendship, and the indelible memories that have shaped our Triton journey. Let us face the future with the resilient compassion and unity that define our UC San Diego community, never forgetting the extraordinary privilege of being part of this Triton family. So here's to us, the class of 2024. Here's to the laughter, tears, triumph, and unforgettable moments that have made us who we are. Here's to the end of one remarkable chapter and the beginning of an even more extraordinary story. Let's go out there and make our mark on the world, always cherishing the Triton spirit that will forever bind us together. Congratulations, and thank you for being an unforgettable part of this incredible journey.